everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So yesterday was a super duper busy day. My day job was crazy, and I tried to film what I ate today. I did not have a chance to film my intro. I did not have a chance to film my outro. So I thought I would give you a couple little chit-chatty ideas here real quick. We'll jump into what I ate yesterday, and I will wrap it up really quick for you. It'll be a nice short sweet video that you can kind of keep track of what I had to eat. I did use 19 points yesterday. Yes, 19 points. I have my iPad in front of me so that I can kind of give you a quick little synopsis. So I was making my breakfast, but I didn't have a chance to do the audio. I was going to do a voiceover on that. I still might do that and kind of give you a little idea of what I threw. Omelet for breakfast. Also, I made an apple cranberry oatmeal bake. I don't think I've made this on camera before. I wish I'd have realized that and I would have filmed it for you. So stay tuned. I'm sure I'm going to make this again because it was absolutely delicious. And then I had lunch, had my chili dogs for dinner. So good. What do you guys see the footage on that? So good. And then at the end of the day, we had, my husband was craving milkshakes from Sonic. Now, I don't know if you've ever been to Sonic and had a milkshake, but they range from like 24 to 58 points. Yes, I said 58. So it may be higher. I think the highest one that I seen was like 54 or 58. And I was like, what do I do? But they do have a diet cherry limeade, and it was 1 SmartPoint. So I thought I would give that a try, and it was actually really good. So I just took a quick picture of that one. I'll put it at the end of the video. So that was just basically a synopsis of my day. I ate, kind of snacked, ate all throughout the day. It was a really good day. And again, 19 of my 23 points, so I was able to roll over my 4 points into today, so that's kind of cool. I think that's about it. Yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. So tonight, of course, you know I have my virtual workshop. I still have to do my hair for it, but I probably just got my hair sticking out. I still have to do my hair, but I threw my makeup on at least so that I can get this part filmed so that I can get the video posted for you. I think that's it. Is that all I want to tell you? I think that's it. My water, I'm getting my water in. I have slacked off on the activity and my exercise. I need to pick that back up again because I have not, life's just kind of been crazy. So I have not had a chance to even fit that half hour in, which is an excuse. It's definitely an excuse. And I need to stop making excuses. I was planned on jumping back on to my program yesterday. And then again, my work day was crazy and it just didn't happen. By the time I had got done working, I was mentally exhausted. And I didn't do anything. I barely had the energy to cook dinner, and that was about it. So with that said, let me jump in. I'll show you what I ate, and we will, again, I'm going to just cut the end of the video. You're going to see my picture from Sonic, and then I am going to just shut the video down. So there's not going to be a, hey, I had a great day. Had a great food day. We're just going to leave it at that. So let me show you what I ate. Okay, so you've seen a short clip of my coffee. I just had black coffee this morning, and in my omelet here, you see 2 eggs, some leftover chicken from my chicken tacos, and then I threw in some fat-free, the Kraft fat-free shredded cheese into that too. So it was actually really delicious. And look, bam, flipped it over perfectly. Here's that cranberry apple oatmeal bake, 2 SmartPoints for this, super delicious. And my omelet before was 0 SmartPoints. All right, time for a little snack. I'm going to have a package of these WW chocolate marshmallow cups. And if you haven't seen those, I'll get you one out here. This is what they look like. They have chocolate on one side and a little puffy puff on the other side. So they're pretty good. I mean, it's a good little treat when you want something sweet. 2 SmartPoints, so I'm gonna have this and I'll come back and show you what I'm having later. All right, right, for lunch today, I am going to have a Taco Bell fake out bean burrito. So I have my Extreme Wellness high fiber tortillas here. Those are 1 SmartPoint each, and WW math does not come into play with those, so 1 for 1, 2 for 2. I think it even goes 3 to 3. I have a fresh batch of refried beans here that I had made earlier this week, and then my trusty Taco Bell mild sauce. So super good. This is my favorite one on my bean burrito, so I'm going to go ahead and whip this up. I'll take a picture to show you what it looks like all wrapped up and ready to go, and then I will see you for dinner. Instead of a picture, I thought I would just run back to video. My beans that I make are 0 SmartPoints too, so my entire bean burrito is going to be 1 SmartPoint, just the points for the tortilla. So check it out. So nice. All right, so I'm going to sit down and enjoy this while it's hot, and then I will, like I said, come back for dinner, so stay tuned. All right, time for a little snack. I'm gonna have some carrots. I bought them at the store like this, so it's always great when you don't have to do anything with them. And then I'm gonna have some of this cucumber ranch yogurt dressing. This will be 1 SmartPoint, and I did use 30 grams. I measured it out on my scale. So 2 tablespoons, 1 SmartPoint, or if you have a scale, you could do 30 grams and make it easy on yourself so you don't have to mess up another dish. So that's gonna be my snack. Alright, so dinner we were kind of tossing up either chicken sausages or chili dogs, and we chose chili dogs. So this is the ones that I'm having. He's going to have regular hot dogs, but I'm going to be having these smoked turkey franks. We have the Healthy Life buns, and of course we did find, I think I showed you in my grocery haul, the Hormel chili turkey with beans. So I'll figure out my dinner once I get it on my plate. I'll show you my plate once I make it and figure out all the points, but I just want to show you the ingredients so that you knew exactly what I used in my dinner today. We're also going to have fries, and I'll have 4 points of fries. So I think it's going to be 4 points for the fries, 5 points for the bun, 2 points for this, and 2 points for this. So 2, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, I'm counting with my fingers, so 13 points for dinner. No judging, no judgment here. So, okay, I'll show you my plate once I get it made. Alright, so if you want to know if you can make hot dogs in the air fryer, yes, they do turn out just like you put them on the grill. His are going to be always a little crispier because his are like full of fat, but check it out. Once I roll them around a little bit, I do get a little of those crispy burnt edges on even the turkey hot dogs, so super excited about those. I may pull his out and turn mine back on for a second and really burn them because that's how I like them. So just want to show you the hot dogs real quick, because if you're not making hot dogs in your air fryer, you are definitely missing out.